Oh, good morning. I'm going on a trail, so-called trail. Let's see. This is the way to watchtower. Watchtower to watch the birds. Mm, If you look here, it's all wild. Behind me is the trail continuing. This side is these, I think, elephant grass, and we move further. Both sides is water is there. You can see some water on the side. Uh, this is me, my shadow, and yeah, moving forward. Nice small flowers are there in between, and we go. We hear some birdsy because of my blabbering, perhaps. They're not gone. Yeah, we are almost there. I can see that tower. Last time I came back from there, there's the tower. I'm going to speak very less. We want to catch some birds. At least the noises. You always hear some movement, some birds. Hmm. Getting very mushy here. This is a tower here, and I'll be climbing this tower and having an aerial view of the whole area. Seems interesting and nice. Looks like a safari to me. Here we go up these rickety steps. Oh, steps are quite rickety. I have to be careful. Very nice. Oh, go up from here. So this is the whole idea. This side is Noida with the towers and all. This is there. Interesting.